Hello guys. Well, today I was trying to show one trick to my friend. Oh yeah, this is my entry for Mizmax 822 contest number 29. So, let's get back to my story. I was trying to show one trick to my friend, and when I gave him this deck of cards, I told him just to cut cards, not shuffle. And he is getting he has get all suspicious and that stuff. Why cut? Why not shuffle? Why is this in some order? In that stories. Well, when he tried to shuffle the cards, I took my deck back and I told him, okay, I confess, this is alternating red-black. So red, black, red, black, red, black. The whole deck is set like this. Don't worry, I will shuffle it now. And I shuffle. I have shuffled this deck. And now we see that this is still red, black, it is like it is, but we have shuffled this deck. And then I gave him my pack again and told him, okay, don't need to cut anymore, the trick probably won't work. And I told him, let's try. Okay, deal down 20 cards. I gave him, and he had dealt 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20. We are going to need this a little bit more later. And now, these 20 cards, my card will be top card. So this is my card. And your card will be the bottom card. This is your card, this is my card. I will choose one more card, just to see, and I will replace these mine 2 cards with one of these, with 2 of these. Well, we don't need that anymore. So, I have my new 2 cards, and you have your card, the Ace of Hearts. Well, we are going to get this back here, and my card 1 is going to be here, and 1 is going to go here. Now I gave him my pack again and told him to deal down the cards in 4 piles. So, when he was done with dealing, I told him, mine piles are 1st and 3rd, and you are 2nd and 4th. So I need to shuffle my piles, and he needs to do the same with his piles. Well, when he done that, I need to look and see, to take out my selections, what the cards I pulled out from that deck, and he need to find his card in the 4th pile, and his that card soulmate in the 2nd pile. Well, as I say, the trick probably won't work and the cards won't be the same, but this is your cards and this is my cards. Well, if you want tutorial, I will make one either way. Bye.